Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review the Face Shop Real Nature Lotus Mask Sheet. I have bought two sheet masks, so I will be trying these on different days. It comes in a plastic pouch with wooden background and lotus on it. The product claims that it provides intense hydration, improves dull skin, and skin elasticity. It has Korean and English instructions mentioned on it, which is great. Expiry date is engraved on its bottom here in English too. Here I have already done my skincare and my dry skin is the skin concern I have. The mask itself is a white cotton sheet mask that is drenched in serum. It smells like fresh flowers, of course, because it has fragrance in it. It also contains alcohol apart from fragrance. Both of these are skin irritants, so be careful. It also includes good ingredients like glycerine, shea butter, lotus flower extract, and castor oil. The fit of the mask is really good and is not moving at all after I have set it in a particular position. The fragrance is really strong of this mask that I ain't liking it. The serum is really runny and lightweight in texture. After 12 minutes, this mask has completely dried on my face and now I'm going to take off this mask. My skin looks well moisturized, but this mask is not too moisturizing for dry skin. So it will be ideal for oily skin and as a summer mask, because it feels really cooling to skin. I had issues with the strong floral scent to be honest, but thank God it did not irritate my skin. There is not much serum left in the mask after using it as it absorbs really well in the skin. The next day my skin felt really soft and hydrated. It felt squishy to touch as well. Now I'm trying this lotus mask again after 2 days. That's how I look before using the mask. This mask feels really cooling to the skin every time I use it. The serum of this mask has a cloudy color and is very lightweight. After 20 minutes, this mask has completely dried, but it's still not budging from my face. My face feels really cool and there is no sticky feeling on touching. My skin felt really soft for the next 24 hours. I will rate this mask 4 by 5. Even though the results are temporary with this mask, it still delivered what it says. Bye-bye!